All right, so I want everyone to see a problem like this. So it looks slightly different than what we've been doing, but this is a notation that will show up and it is on the test, and I just wanted to make sure that we have it down. So what we're doing is they give us this function f of x, and we want to find a function g of x that agrees with f of x at all spots except for one point. So what we have to do here is, one, when we go through and solve for this, we've been splitting this up. So it was like x plus 3 and x plus 2. So as f of x exists right now, there's one spot where f of x does not exist, and that's at x equals negative 2. And so when we split this up, we're able to cancel those out and we're able to evaluate limits, things like that, but we just know that at x equals negative 2, f of x does not exist. Well, that leaves us with this x plus 3. Well, if I say that g of x equals x plus 3, it's going to behave in the exact same way as what f of x does, except it exists at x equals negative 2. So g of x is that function once I've canceled out or removed that discontinuity that I can write, and it models f of x. They have the same exact values, and you can check each one. But we've removed that area where it does not exist, and we have something that exists, in this situation, everywhere.